Do you want to learn how to make these fun cutout Valentine fondant shapes? Stay tuned and watch. Hi friends, so today I thought I'd show you how to roll out some fondant to make some cutouts for Valentine's Day. And it's going to be super simple, and all you need are cookie cutters and fondant and a fondant roller. So I'm rolling out black because I'm going to use an X and also an O for XO. And I don't have an O though, I found out. So I'm just going to use a circle and then the tip of a piping tip for the middle part of it. And the hearts that I use are just cookie cutter hearts. So there's this one that has kind of a scallopy edge. There's the one with straight edge. And I have a small heart here, and then I have a heart that looks like it has an arrow through it, and another scallop looking smaller heart. So now I have my red fondant and I'm going to knead it, and how I knead it is I just go like this back and forth. And to be honest, this is a really good way if you're stressed out about something in your life to get rid of that stress. Because stress is not healthy. So it's good to knead. Different size rollers, I do have a small one too, but I pretty much always just grab this one because it works for every size, so it's just easier. To be honest with you, I probably don't even need the small one anymore because I just always use this one. So this isn't very much here, but it's enough that I'm going to cut out a couple of these. What is this? Yeah, a heart. And of course you can get creative. You could put a heart in a heart. So I could cut this out in this one or just leave it like this. I think I might cut one out in here though. And to put that into my cookie sheet. Then the last fondant I have is this pink color. There are two different color pinks, but I'm just gonna blend them together because I just want one pink that's a lighter color. Now when I blended the two, it gives it kind of a marbly effect, and I like that look, so I'm just gonna keep it that way. And with this one, I'm actually gonna do some X's and O's that are pink. So now that they're done, you can just put them in the oven overnight with the oven light on or all day. And sometimes you can flip them too in between the times because you want both sides to be dry, but usually all night it's good enough and they are hard enough to put on a cake or on cupcakes. Thanks for watching.